If you guys are gonna put in the work, you might as well make the most money possible. So in this video, I'm gonna break down the most profitable window cleaning services that you can offer, why they're worth your time, and how to price them so that you can maximize your income. Let's get into it. Residential window cleaning is one of the easiest places to start because homeowners want their windows clean and most of them don't want to do it themselves, so that's where you come in. It's very low overhead, really easy to market, and it's in high demand. So you can be charging something like $8 to $15 a window, or about $150 to $400 a house, sometimes even more depending on the size and how difficult it's going to be to clean. For example, if it's going to be a big luxury home, you'll want to price it per window, but if it's going to be more of an average sized house, that's when you're going to be pricing it between $150 to $400, like I said. Pro tip, guys, you can also offer a discount if they choose to get regular cleanings like every 3 to 6 months. That way you can start stacking some repeat clients. Commercial window cleaning is super powerful because bigger buildings means bigger checks, and office buildings, apartment complexes, and hotels all need their windows cleaned regularly, so your goal here is to be their first call. They usually have a ton of windows, which equals more money per job. Businesses also have higher cleaning budgets, so you can tap into that by offering them a service that they're gonna need anyway, so it might as well be you. As far as pricing, you can charge around $2 to $5 per pane, or between $300 and $1,500 per job, sometimes even more, again, depending on the size or the difficulty. And then pro tip, guys, get in with the property managers or facility maintenance teams. They're gonna be the ones that control multiple buildings and properties. So they're gonna be the ones that can bring you more business, more consistent contracts and stuff like that. So just tap in with them. Storefront window cleaning is also great because small businesses want to attract customers and dirty windows kill their image. So that's why it's an easy sell, because it's quick, repeatable, and it only requires basic equipment. Stacking these types of jobs, guys, is going to be great for building your steady income really quick in the beginning. You can easily charge somewhere between $5 and $7 on these per window. And a pro tip on this one is if you offer them a demo on a couple of windows when you go and pitch them, no one does this, so the fact that you offered them that and you did the window pitch, I like to call it, you're gonna be set apart from everyone else that has ever pitched them if they have been. So if they don't decide to get it done in the moment, they're gonna call you back in the future if they do decide, because you're the first one that came to their mind. Oh, he's the one that cleaned our windows. No one does that, guys. These three services are going to be your main money makers. Residential is the easiest to start with and make great money, but commercial and storefront cleaning opens up the door to bigger contracts and recurring income. This is how you build a real business instead of having to constantly be chasing jobs, guys. So for now, guys, pick one of these services and go all in. I'd recommend starting with residential if you're a beginner. Then you can work your way into commercial and storefronts as you grow, so you can gain credibility and get into the flow of talking to people and getting better at selling your services. The key here, guys, is to lock in your repeat clients. That's how you're gonna scale fast.